You've been in an accident. You've sustained a hit to your head. You've been diagnosed with a traumatic brain injury. And even though you may not be thinking straight or acting and feeling yourself, the fact of the matter is, it's time for you to hire a lawyer. I'm Andy Siegel, a personal injury lawyer here in New York City. I'm going to share with you a few simple rules I suggest you apply when selecting a lawyer to represent you or a family member in a traumatic brain injury case. These do's and don'ts are from a lecture I gave at the annual conference of the Brain Injury Association of New York. Let's start with the don'ts. Never hire a lawyer without interviewing at least two. All personal injury lawyers are not created equal. There are differences in legal abilities, just like there are differences in the abilities of doctors and people in other professions. Never hire a lawyer who does not take all the time that is required to discuss with you your case and your legal rights. If the prospective lawyer picks up their cell phone while you're there or allows for other interruptions, run for the hills. Never hire a lawyer who promises you terrific results or who spends interview time telling you how great a case you have or how great a lawyer they are. Never hire a lawyer with little or no experience in handling traumatic brain injury cases, no matter whose relative or whose friend the lawyer may be. Lastly, never hire a lawyer who is unable to talk with you in language you can clearly and easily understand or treat you with the respect and dignity to which you are entitled. That's about it. I wish you well in these challenging times. If you'd like to discuss your case and circumstances with me, call 212-532-0532 and ask for Andy.